Today's topic is statistical model in simulation. The topic to be covered: review of terminology and concepts, useful statistical models, discrete distributions, continuous distributions, Poisson's process, empirical distribution. To model the real world phenomena, we have to represent the actions of the entities within the system. These actions are usually unpredictable. It turns out that some statistical models are suitable to describe such actions. To model a random process, example service time, the modeler has to select an appropriate probability distribution. The steps to select an appropriate probability distribution: sample the process, select the known distribution, that is selection by experience or using special software, estimate the values of the parameters of the distribution, test to see how good is the fit. Review of terminology and concepts. Here we understand what are the discrete random variables, continuous random variables, cumulative distribution function, expectation and mode. Discrete random variables. A variable that assumes values in a irregular pattern is called a random variable. Let x be a random variable if the number of possible values of x is finite or countably infinite, then x is called a discrete random variable. Let xi be all possible values of x, where capital X is a random variable, and pxi, which is equal to p of x is equal to xi, with the probability that x is equal to xi. Then p of xi must meet the following conditions. First one is p of xi is greater than 0 for all I. Second condition, summation of p of xi, where I varies from 1 to infinity, which is equal to 1. The collection of pairs xi, pxi, where I varies from 1 to infinity, is called probability distribution of x, and pxi is called probability mass function PMF of x. Continuous random variable. If the values of x is an interval or a collection of intervals, then x is called a continuous random variable. For a continuous random variable, its probability is represented by probability where x is greater than or equal to a and less than or equal to b, which is equal to integration from a to b of f of x dx, which is denoted by equation 1. The function f of x is called the probability density function, that is PDF of x, which has to meet the following conditions. The first condition is f of x is greater than or equal to 0 for all x in Rx, where Rx is range space, that is the range between the interval. Second, integration of f of x dx is equal to 1. And third one, f of x is equal to 0 if x is not in Rx, that is not in range. Note, probability of x is greater than or equal to a and less than or equal to b, which is equal to probability of x is greater than a, less than or equal to b which is equal to probability of x greater than or equal to a less than b, which is equal to probability of x greater than a less than b. So which is given by integration of f of x dx is equal to 1 from x0 to x0. The graphical representation of equation 1 is shown below, that is here. The shaded area represents the probability that x lies in the interval a, b. Problem related to the previous topic. Life of an inspection device is given by x, a continuous random variable with PDF. F of x is equal to half e to the power minus x by 2, where x is greater than or equal to 0 and 0 otherwise. Find the probability that device's life cycle in between 2 and 3 years. So here the life cycle in between 2 and 3 years. Therefore, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. So the probability x is greater than 2 and less than 3, which is equal to integration from 2 to 3 f of x dx. So which is equal to half integration half e to the power minus x by 2 dx from 2 to 3, which is calculated as 0.145. The next one is cumulative distribution function CDF. The cumulative distribution function CDF, denoted by f of x, measures the probability that the random variable x assumes the value less than or equal to x. That is, f of x, which is equal to probability of x less than or equal to x. If x is discrete, f of x is equal to summation of p of xi for all xi is less than or equal to x. If x is continuous, f of x is equal to integration from minus infinity to x of f of t dt. Properties of CDF. The first property is f is a non-decreasing function. If a is less than b, then f of a is less than f of b. The second one is limit x tends to infinity, f of x is equal to 1. Third one is limit x tends to minus infinity, f of x is equal to 0. All probability questions about x can be answered in terms of CDF. Example, probability of x is greater than a less than b, which is equal to f of b minus f of a for all a is less than b. The problem, example problem, an inspection device has CDF f of x is equal to half integration 0 to x e to the power minus t by 2 d. Find a. Probability that the device lasts for less than 2 years. B. Probability that the device lasts between 2 and 3 years. The part A, it is A is equal to 0, B is equal to 2. Part B, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. That is, the part A solution is probability x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2, which is equal to f of 2 minus f of 0, where f of 0 is equal to 0, so f of 2 is equal to calculated as 0.632, that is half into integration 0 to 2 e to the power minus t by 2 dt, which yields 0.632. The part B, P, probability x is greater than 2 and less than 3, which is equal to f of 3 minus f of 2, which is equal to half into integration 0 to 3 e to the power minus t by 2 dt minus f of 2 is calculated in part A, that is 0.62, and this calculation is 0.145.